I hope you've had a beautiful day today. Today, I want to talk about something before you go to sleep, something that we've been teaching our patients over the years, and we get so much of great feedback. There's no harm in trying it. It's not going to harm you. It's either going to work or it's not going to work. In most cases, it does. As you know, it's the human body that heals you and it heals me. Doctors give you medication for the symptoms. Nutritionists will give you food to support your body, support your immune system. But finally, who does the healing? Your body, your immune system. You hear about cancer cases that have gone into remission. People don't know how. Medically, it's called an auto remission. It's the body that kicked in, your immune system. You cannot have a cancer if your immune system is intact. So this healing machine is our body. It has the ability to repair itself. Sometimes you need medicine. Sometimes the body heals itself on its own. Today we're going to learn how we can enable this powerful healing machine through a simple exercise. It'll also help us sleep deeply. Of course, you need food, you need exercise, you need sleep, you need to look at your emotional wellness, you need your breath power, you need your connection with the divine, spirituality, whatever it is you call it. Well, here's the exercise. I'm going to teach it to you really quick. You can build and be creative around what I tell you. So you want to get into a sitting position, or you can do it lying down. You dim the lights or switch the lights off. Don't do it now, just listen. Basically, you want to be in a peaceful position. A lot of people just do it as they lay down to sleep. They're in a lying position, the lights are off, temperature's right. They take a few deep breaths to center. My most favorite centering deep breath is very simple. It's a ratio of 1:2. So if my inhale is 1, 2, 3, 4, my exhale is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ratio 1:2. If your inhale is 3 seconds, your exhale will be 6 seconds. In through the nostril and exhale through the nostril. You can do about 5 to 6 to just center yourself, relax, bring down your cortisol, bring down your adrenaline, hopefully move from the sympathetic to the parasympathetic nervous system. When you're in the parasympathetic nervous system, that is when the body can deeply rest, digest, and repair. Most people are sick today because our bodies don't go through the complete process of repairing. Of course, you'll have people sick because they're eating the wrong nutrition, they're too stressed out. When you're too stressed out, you're in the sympathetic nervous system, which is fight and flight. Remember, I told you repair happens in the parasympathetic nervous system. A lot of people talk about ice baths and red light therapy and NMN and all of the supplements. I don't have a problem with that. But longevity and lifespan and health span is more time that you spend in the parasympathetic nervous system. You sleep deeply at night, you're in the parasympathetic nervous system. You enable the healing intelligence of your body. I call it actually the healing intelligence because till date, not every scientist or doctor knows how this healing happens. Anyway, you're in a peaceful position, eyes are closed. All I want you to imagine and create in your mind is how you want your body to work for you while you sleep tonight. What do I mean by that? You close your eyes. Before you even start, the first question you need to ask yourself and the intention that you need to set is, I deserve to heal. I deserve to get better. Why am I stressing on this fact? You see, people have a warped understanding of many parts of religion and spirituality. One such word is karma. It's almost on a weekly basis. I have cancer patients walk into my clinic, or we have Zoom calls and they'll say, hey, Luke, I deserve this. It's my karma. It's my karma. Now, whatever has to happen, happens. Well, number one, your understanding of karma is completely wrong. It's absolutely wrong. What karma actually means in the simplest way possible. Let's say you think you got a cancer because of your karma. Then you do your karma by going through the cancer with acceptance and no resistance. You're paying your karma. You're going through a breakup. I have so many young girls and boys and people in marriages. Look, I deserve this. Years ago, I hurt this person and now my partner's hurt me. No, your karma is go through it. That's it. Don't become a victim. Don't play the victim card. So many cancer patients play the victim card. Oh, it's my karma. If I die, I die. You've accepted it. No, your karma is to go through the process. Pay your karma by going through the process. So I just wanted to get that set right now. So I need you to feel deserving of your healing. Before you even start this exercise, you need to feel deserving. So you can start off with a simple, powerful affirmation. I deserve to heal. This is the same concept of manifestation. So many people's manifestation fails. And when they ask me, my first question is, do you feel that you deserve what you're manifesting or desiring? And most people are, no, Luke, I don't know. If you don't feel, if you don't align your emotion with a feeling of deserving something, you can't complete the process. So we first do the affirmation, I deserve to heal. I deserve to heal. Set that little intention. And now you close your eyes, and all you need to do is, I'm giving you two scenarios. You have a health problem or you don't have a health problem. Let's start off with you have a health problem. Let's say you have a kidney issue or a liver issue. You have a cancer, or you have Alzheimer's, or you have an autoimmune condition, whatever it is. Whatever it is. I want you to close your eyes, and now I want you to imagine and visualize the outcome of how you want your body to heal you. So if I have a kidney issue, all I'm doing is I'm going to my kidney in my mind. I'm taking my attention to my kidney. When I'm on my kidney, all I'm doing is imagining, oh, but the doctor said this, but Google said this, but ChatGPT said this. No, none of that. You create the outcome that you want. So you bring your mind and your focus and attention to your kidney, and all you're doing is, my kidney's healing me. My kidney's getting stronger. Just imagine your kidney, the cells in your kidney. Make your own little movie. They're getting stronger and stronger. If there's a cancer in one part of the body, just move to that part of the body. Just imagine your immune system, like all cells all over, just moving towards the cancer, destroying it, your body cleaning up. You have constipation, take your attention over there. Visualization alone will not sort your constipation. You still got to look at your diet, your lifestyle. Bring your mind to your gut. Imagine good bacteria growing, the bad bacteria dying. Imagine everything that's causing you acidity. Your acids are now coming back to baseline. Your stomach's relaxing. Your acid is at the right level. You create the image that you want. Now, if you're a student of anatomy and you understand anatomy, you can be more technical. You can actually go into every organ and make it work the right way. So let's say I'm diabetic and I have high blood pressure and now I have CKD, chronic kidney failure. I can take my attention to my kidney and I can just imagine all of my nephrons. They're growing, they're relaxing, they're living again, they're getting stronger. I have an issue in my brain. I take my attention to my brain and I just imagine this beautiful mass in my brain is just getting better. It's getting unentangled. It's healing. Sometimes you can use a light. What's your favorite color? Maybe gold, maybe white, whatever it is. Just imagine, let's say now there's a problem in your heart. Okay, just imagine in your heart, bring your attention and your mind to your heart, and you can fill it up with a white light or a golden light or whatever it is. That light is just warming your heart. It's unclogging your arteries. It's bringing relaxation to your blood vessels. And no matter what, someone may say, oh, but I have a hole in my heart. Just imagine that you have a hole in your heart, but hey, your body's intelligent. The rest of your heart is learning to live around this hole in the heart. You have a 90% blockage, but hey, this heart is so amazing that your blood is flowing through all the other capillaries and arteries beautifully. You imagine, you make the movie in your mind. Your eyesight's falling. Bring the attention to your eyes and just imagine every part of your eye is getting stronger and stronger. You can see clearly. You just make these little visualizations about every part of your body. You have an autoimmune condition, no matter what, whether it's a lupus, it's a multiple sclerosis, it's a Hashimoto's, whatever it is. Your job is just to imagine your immune system is relaxing. It's coming down a baseline. It's not attacking you anymore. It's relaxed. It's calm. It's getting stronger. It's getting smarter. For whatever story you want to build in your mind, you do that. You have a hair fall issue. Bring your attention to your scalp. Imagine your scalp is now getting stronger, pulling up nutrients from the food that you're eating, feeding those hair follicles. Your hair is becoming stronger. All of this goes with lifestyle. Okay, there's no magic in this. The idea is it's energy. That's why I said it's not magic. Now, let's say you're a healthy person and you don't want to get sick. It's different. Bring your attention to every part. You can do a body scan. Start off with your head. I like to start off with my hair and just say, just look at my hair. Thank you. It's good. My hair's strong. My skin is great. My eyes are powerful. Just bring that scan to every part of your body. If you don't want to go through every part of your body, all you can do is visualize. And I want you to do this. Just visualize an entire white light around your body or a golden light around your body passing through trillions of cells in your body. And as this light passes through trillions of cells, your cells are getting stronger. The cells that have an imbalance are correcting to a balance. If there's blood pressure, it's coming down. You create the story that you want. Your mind will challenge you. Oh, but the doctor said I can never get off medication. Oh, but it's a 4th stage cancer. I'm going to die. That's not your job to think about. All your job is to enable your body to heal you. Cancer, immune system, heart problems, arteries, whatever it is, just bring your attention, and that's how you will bring energy to every part of your body. This isn't a replacement for your medicine, not a replacement for your nutrition, none of that. This is all about energy. Energy heals, energy makes you sick, period. You can have an imbalance of energy in one cell that makes you sick. You can have an energy rebalance in a cell that makes you healthy. Everything is energy. So it's so important for you to understand that when you close your eyes, this is your magic before you sleep. While you're doing this, you will automatically move to the parasympathetic nervous system, which is why I said it can even put you into a deeper sleep. The idea is you can also look at your whole body and just enable every cell in your body starts to work in harmony. You're just imagining your cells working, your kidneys working the right way, your heart's right, blood's pumping through every artery in your body. You can just do a wild visualization of everything just working in your body, even if you don't know how the body works. And then you end it. You end it with a simple intention, whatever it is. I am at ease, or I am safe. My body's healing. I am at ease. Something that works very well. I remember one of my clients who did this actually reached out to me and told me that, hey, Luke, I added this to my whole visualization. I said, what is it? So she said that every time I go to a part of my body, I just say, relax. Now you're relaxed. Heal. Now you're relaxed. Heal. It's the end of your day. You've gone through so much today. Now you want to send that little message to every part of your body. You're relaxed. Now heal. You're relaxed. Now heal. And then end it with your whole body. You're looking at your body. Sometimes step out of your body, in your mind. It's a beautiful thing. And you're looking at you. I've stepped out of my mind and I'm looking at Luke lying down. And again, I am at ease. Now rest, relax. Rest, relax, heal, and close your eyes and sleep. The power of this exercise lies in the energy that you are creating with a positive outcome, because too many of us have our minds. We're thinking the worst about our cancer. We're thinking the worst about our disease. And those thoughts will come. I'm not asking you to be toxic positive. Those thoughts will come. But it is our job to move positivity and energy through our thoughts that we create in every part of our body. If you have a hamstring issue, bring your attention to your hamstring. Imagine the tight hamstring now getting more and more flexible. Blood circulating through your arteries, it's relaxing. Blood's flowing to your tight muscles, it's releasing. You take your mind and you build your most creative stories that you want. And I know you have it in you, because that same creative mind can also take thoughts and fear and build stories and illusions every single day, which is what our anxiety is. So we have the ability. We just got to make the switch. Move that attention from the negatives, what's not going well, what the negative outcomes are, to the positives that you create. Because you have to understand right now, it is only your body that heals you. You can have a fracture. The doctor will put a cast. But finally, the doctor also knows that it's only your bone that can rejoin and heal you. It's the same thing with cancer. You can use chemo, radiation, hormone treatment. But every medical professional knows that this person's immune system needs to kick in. So there's a lot of this body needs to heal. I want you to be part of your own healing, part of creating your own outcome through visualization. Remember, you got to feel deserving, number one. Number two, after this, don't wake up in the morning that, oh, I send energy to my liver, I send energy to my eyes, what's happening? No, after this, just surrender. Surrender and you sleep. I want to leave you with one more thought before you sleep tonight. I want you to think of every single thing that you've achieved in life, whatever it is. Or maybe you built a home, maybe you wrote an algorithm, maybe whatever it is. And I want to ask you to honestly reflect, was it you alone who did it? You did it. But was there a divine power that guided you? Or is it, no, it's all me. I did this. Every time we have a patient heal, I just look up and I say thank you. Because I know it wasn't me, it wasn't my team, we're the instruments. At some point in life, everyone realizes, and I hope we realize it soon, that there is a divine power bigger and larger than all of us. Some people call it God, through spirituality, religion, whatever it is. Some people call it nature, some people call it the universe. The sooner you realize this, the sooner you align energies with this, and the easier it is to surrender. Now you finished your body scan that I taught you. All you need to do is just surrender it. Your job is not to control it. How's it going to happen? When's it going to happen? Your job is to surrender. Who are you surrendering to? That divine power. And then you sleep deeply and let your body do its magic. Have a great night, everyone.